My name is Shannon Esdell. I live in Irvine, California, and I work at a local university. I met my husband, Paul, through our dads, actually. And if my dad wants to set me up, then he can't be that bad of a guy. So we, got together and hit it off, and it was the best decision I ever made. Here we are 5 years later. So we decided that we wanted to start trying to conceive right away, as soon as we got married. We both always wanted kids, and we felt that we're getting older. We wanted to start a family right away. We were ready to be parents. I gave up trying for a couple months, and we actually found out that we were pregnant. And at our 3-month ultrasound was when we found out that the baby no longer had a heartbeat. The ultrasound tech was very quiet, and I guess I didn't catch on to it, but when she turned the machine off and she told me that, "I'm sorry, there's no heartbeat," I was just destroyed. It crushed me. I remember I called up a girlfriend and I was crying to her about just everything, the loss and wanting so much to become a mother and wanting to get pregnant again. And she mentioned to me, "Oh, have you heard about this Ava bracelet?" And I actually had. I'd seen ads online about Ava before. While I was sitting there saying, "Well, I don't know, do we really need this? Do we really want to do this?" And the next thing I know, he says, "Done, I bought it for you. You're getting this bracelet." I actually got pregnant after my first month of using Ava. I was honestly in shock. I didn't believe that I was pregnant, and I showed my husband the test, and he said, "Well, what does this mean?" I said, "I don't know. I'm not gonna get excited yet. We're gonna remain calm. Let's try more tests." I think Ava helped me conceive because it helped me to learn more about my body. It told me the best few days for when we needed to try, and just seeing that peak ovulation and knowing that this is accurate. This is telling me when we need to try. And so I definitely think that having all of that data there was able to help me to pick out my best days to try. I definitely would recommend Ava to other women who are trying. I actually have recommended it to a couple girlfriends of mine. I feel that if you're more in tune with your body, if you know what's going on with your body, you have a better chance of knowing when's the best time to try and conceive.